Good morning. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning here in Paco, Ginapawan City. Kung matatandaan ninyo, last week, meron akong pinakitang unang itlog ng ating Black Australorp. Maliit pa. So, niluto namin yon. After a week, ito na siya. They're starting to produce more eggs. It's small to medium size. Pero pwede na itong i-hatch. But since kakaunti pa lang, maghanap na lang muna kami ng mga inahin na naglilimlim at i-hatch namin to. So, in preparing for the big volume production of eggs, we are now cleaning our incubators, warming up our incubators sapagkat by January, we're expecting to have about 500 pullets in the breeding yards. And kung mag-average lang sila ng 50% na laying, that's about 250 eggs a day.